Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to read voice messages on WhatsApp. So if you want to read voice messages on WhatsApp or transcribe WhatsApp messages, so what you have to do, first here you have to open your WhatsApp. Okay, so now I am going to read this message, okay, this voice message. So what you have to do, first you have to just click on this three button. Okay, go to setting, and here you will see chat and wallpaper chat history. Okay, now you have to click on it, and here you will see option voice message transcript. Enable it. Now here you will see choose language. Okay, now click on it and choose it English. Setup now. Okay, now click on setup now, and you will see here transcribe download. Okay, it will take few minutes. Now you will see downloading has been completed. Okay, so now we will go back to the chats. Okay, now I have already transcribed this voice or read this voice message. Now what you have to do is you have to click on it and click and hold on it. Okay, now here you will see three dots. Okay, so now click on this three dot, and here you will see transcribe option. Just click on transcribe. Now here you will see transcribing. Now here you will see what are you doing, how are you doing, and what is going on. This is exactly on the voicemail. Okay, I'm going to show you. What are you doing, how are you doing, and what is going on. Okay, so like this you can read voice message in WhatsApp. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.